It's Rude, reusers of unloved discarded excess, and Rude Boy is tinkering away with a husky that we got yesterday.
Yep.
For free from the lovely Michelle. What's the problem, Rude Boy?
She ain't zigzagging.
And you're not a sewing machine mechanic.
No.
What have you discovered?
Well, that won't zigzag. It wouldn't go to the right. But I've taken a link off around the back. That link here. Right there. It's connected to this lever. And that's just telling me that it's all free. So that's not retarding this from moving. This lever here isn't pulling this way or allowing the needle to come to the right.
Well, that's what you have to work out.
Yep. When I undid that little C-clip and removed this arm, it freed up the left-hand side of the machine. So we knew that the needle could move from side to side. Now what I did, when I put it back in, this part of the lever had come away from the cam follower. If you watch that, see how that follows the cam? And now it'll move back out again and come back in again. That lever, this C part, slides into a little area, and I don't think it was in properly. And when I've put it back together, it's fallen into place, and now it follows the cam. It's not holding it away from. That C part was holding it away from the cam.
You're a genius.
Because a genius or a genius.
Especially when you don't know what you're doing.
Anyway, we'll show them what it does.
That's awesome.
Right on.
Wow, it's zigzagging. It's nice and quiet too. Okay.
There you go, look at that.
Well, now we have to see if it actually sews.
Yeah. Yes. And I've got to put it all back together.
Thanks, Rude Boy. It's Rude Girl, and it's time to test what Rude Boy has done and also to explain what he's done. We're going to see if this is sewing. We'll start with straight stitch. There we go. Looks like it's a winner. And the tension is good. Yes. Now, reverse wasn't working. I just have to try reverse. Yes, it's working. There you go, you can see that. We'll try zigzag. This was what wasn't working. Zigzag is now working really well. Rude Boy, you're a genius. I don't know how you do it. Yesterday it was going for parts. As with all these things, you like to see if you can rescue them before you scrap them for parts. One part I did have at home was this cam here, stitch cam, and it fits into the holes. So that's the only thing I had really for it. So when I saw it, I thought, oh, it's a place for this cam. So that's why it was really good to go and get it and see if Rude Boy could get it stitching and doing what it should. This machine is a Husqvarna 2000. It has a, what?
A reduced speed, low speed.
Low speed here, so you can pull that out when it goes on a lower speed. Try that. I haven't tried that. Oh, yes, see, you can hear the difference. Put it back in. about it that we fixed the reverse button, the zigzag because it wasn't zigzagging. We had the cam, so the cam can do some utility stitches because I've only got an A cam. Cams that can be used in it are A, B, C and D cams, but I only have an A cam. A, B, C are utility stitches. D on this machine has a couple of embroidery stitches. This series does have E and F, but I haven't got the option for that on this machine. This here is for darning. You can drop the feed dogs here. Rude boy with his electrical know-how was able to make sure that that's all safe.
Comply.
Yes, per Australian standards. I've got an operating manual for the Husqvarna 2000. We thought that this manual that we had was for this Husqvarna 2000, but this is actually a 6000 series, and this is the book that has come with it for the 6000 series. The book that came with it actually isn't for this machine, which is a 6030. The book's for a 6430, but it doesn't matter. It's all very informative. Both these books are really informative. Very happy. Thank you to the lovely Michelle who decided that this was too good to go to landfill. We can re-love it and reuse it. The year is round about 1972 for this
75,
one.
yes, about that era.
Thank you, Rude. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.